Hello students, we'll start the next session which is based on the types of chemical reactions. All the chemical reactions can be categorized into 5 categories. The first one, combination reaction. The second type of chemical reaction is called decomposition reaction. Number 3, displacement reaction. Number 4, double displacement reaction. Number 5, oxidation, reduction and redox reaction. So these are the different types of chemical reaction. Again I am repeating. First one is combination reaction, second is decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and the fifth type is oxidation, reduction and redox reaction. These are the different types of chemical reaction. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. The first one we will discuss the combination reaction. So in combination reaction, what happens, as you find the word combination, combination means to combine. So what happens in this reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. So the chemical reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product, it is called combination reaction. It means, for example, A is a reactant, B is a reactant. When these two reactants combine and form a single product AB, so this can be called as combination reaction. This is not a real example. If we take a real example, that calcium oxide, which is called as quicklime, the common name of calcium oxide is quicklime. When you add water to it, then these two reactants combine to form CaOH2, calcium hydroxide. So the solid form of calcium oxide when react with liquid, then it forms aqueous calcium oxide. This is known as slagged lime. This is the common name of aqueous calcium hydroxide. So this reaction can be called as combination reaction because two reactants combine to form a single product. Similarly, you can take the example already you have taken, 2 mg solid plus oxygen gas, it forms 2 MgO solid. This can be also called as combination reaction because because that two reactants are there and a single product is there. So this is all about combination reaction. So we will discuss now the second, that is decomposition reaction. So in decomposition reaction, the word decomposition means breaking. Decomposition means breaking. Like combination means combine, to join, whereas decomposition means to break. So from this word decomposition means breaking. So you can find out that in this reaction that two products will be formed from a single reactant. Means a single reactant breaks to form two or more products. Then it is called decomposition. So combination and decomposition just opposite to each other. In a combination reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product, whereas decomposition reaction, single reactant breaks to form two or more products. So I will symbolize that if AB is a single reactant, it breaks, then it forms two products A and B. then it is called decomposition reaction. For example, XYZ is a reactant. If breaks to form X, Y plus Z, then it is also a symbolized form of decomposition reaction. So in a decomposition reaction, again I am repeating, a single reactant breaks to form two or more products. The decomposition reaction again divide into three categories. One is called thermal decomposition, second is electric decomposition, and photo decomposition. So this classification is based on which energy it breaks. So the thermal decomposition, as the word thermal means heat, so the decomposition which takes place due to heat, it is called thermal decomposition. The decomposition, if it takes place due to electricity, then it is called electric decomposition. And the decomposition reaction takes place due to light. Photo means light. So if decomposition reaction takes place by the help of light, then it is called photo decomposition. We will take one example from each. So in thermal decomposition, FeSO4, 2FeSO4, when it is heated, that is solid, it forms Fe2O3 solid plus SO2 gas plus SO3 gas. So here you can see a single reactant breaks in the form of heat. The heat can be symbolized in the form of triangle. This triangle symbolizes heat energy. So because of heat, this reactant breaks to form three products, Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3. So this is an example of thermal decomposition. Similarly, if we take electric decomposition, that is electrolysis of water. You know that if you will take water and pass electricity through it, the water molecule breaks to form hydrogen and oxygen gas. This process is called electrolysis, which already you have read in standard 8. So this is also a decomposition reaction because a single reactant breaks to form two products, and because this decomposition takes place due to electricity, hence it is called electric decomposition. And the third type of decomposition is photo decomposition, and photo means light. So the reaction is 2AgCl solid when exposed to sunlight, then it breaks to form 2Ag solid plus Cl2 gas. Similarly, another example, 2AgBr silver bromide, when exposed to sunlight, it also forms 2Ag plus Br2. So these two reactions can be categorized into photo decomposition because this decomposition takes place in presence of sunlight, and the speciality of this reaction is that these two reactions are used in black and white photography. So in black and white photography, this reaction is normally used. So this is the importance of this photo decomposition reaction. Then we'll read about the third type of chemical reaction, that is called displacement chemical reaction or displacement reaction. So this displacement reaction we will read in the next session. Thank you.